It's just a quick one, a quick simple one. Don't you love it when you get stuff all over your face? Oh my gosh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's just dive right on into it. I'm going to be doing a tutorial with Colourpop, the whatever palette. So this one is just a super cute. It has a lot of warm tones in it. I thought it would be perfect for this time of year because you can transition very easily into spring, summer with this, and then also into a fall look as well. So we're doing a look with the whatever palette, and I already have my foundation on, my base, and go check out my Blendiful versus the dupe Blendiful on my channel, and you guys will see that there. And without further ado, we're just going to dive right on in because I want to do my eye makeup. So I'm just using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer to prime my lids. I want this actually to be a little bit more of a white base instead of a skin tone base. So this Camo Concealer is like the perfect full coverage for it. Very tacky, very tacky. Alright guys, here's the whatever palette. It does come with some glitters, some shimmers, and it also comes with a super shock shadow, and it is obviously cruelty free, and it is from Colourpop Cosmetics. We're going to be using Copycat. Maybe we should just chat a little bit while we do this. So guys, how are you doing? How is life? My life is pretty much makeup. I did launch a tea spring, and if you guys want the link, I will put it in the description box down below. But because I don't have enough followers here on YouTube, I need 1,000 subscribers to be able to post a link to my Teespring. So go check out my Teespring, and it will be linked in the description box down below. There's some really cute designs on there. I do that as like a side hustle, as well as I create t-shirt designs and I sell them online for companies. I also design them, and yeah, so in my off time, I am a graphic designer as well. So I don't just do makeup, I do graphic design and photography, and you know, I'm a mom. So the only thing I don't like about this palette is that it doesn't have a mirror. Like it's there. I mean, the packaging is freaking adorable, but it has no mirror. So we're gonna do something just very nude and neutral today, and we're using Bad Guy, and we're just gonna put this on the lid. Yes, I'm using the same brush. I love the fluffiness of this brush. So it's going to mix Copycat and Bad Guy together, and it's just going to create a very pretty look. So this is just a quick eyeshadow tutorial for mothers who need a little bit of something when they wake up in the morning, when they need, you know, to look cohesive. You only need a couple of colors to look cohesive, to, you know, make yourself look more awake, live, refreshed, ready for your day, even if you're staying at home. Alright, then we're just going to take this shadow right here. It's called TARTE, and we're putting this on the lid, all over the lid. It's going to really brighten up and open my eyes. That purpley color, Bad Guy, is actually going to accentuate my greenish hazel eyes. But this is going to really open up and blend well with that purple color, and it's just kind of going to make it look super pretty. Look how awake my eyes look all of a sudden. So now look how bright and awake my eyes are. And then I just put on a simple mascara. This is the Big Ego one from Tarte, and it makes you just look a little bit more awake. And then if you have wonky eyebrows like me, I've just been taking an eyebrow spoolie, spraying it with some hairspray, non-aerosol kind, because the aerosol kind will just get everywhere and it won't concentrate the hairspray on the spoolie. And then you just comb through, and it will literally set your eyebrows in place. This is like the best dupe I have ever found for doing your eyebrows on a whim, like just being able to comb them and make them look presentable. Just using some hairspray, and you comb through them and the hairspray holds the hairs in place. It works like a dream. Every single time I use it, even my eyebrows look a little bit fuller. When I just comb them, they look so much better. So there you go. There you have it, the 5-second, literally just eyeshadow tutorial for people who are staying home right now. And I hope you guys like this video, thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel so you guys can see more coming, and I will see you later. Bye!